What a monster pooper. What a stinker. What a turd. Check out this awesome wind-up toy that poops candy out. Look at him. Such a cutie. A cutie patootie. Yeah, this is a monster pooper that I picked up from Walgreens. This little poop trap right here. You put the candy in here. You put the candy in here. You wind it up. He makes a face that only a mother could love. And he lets out some turd candy. Let's try out the candy. It's a little hard candy. Not like a jawbreaker, but it definitely is hard candy. This is a monster pooper from Walgreens. Official Treat Street collectible. Open rear door on back of head. Place up to 7 candies. I put way more in that, my dudes. 7 candies inside. Closed door. Hold feet steady. Wind me up. Place in clear tray. And watch me go. And of course, from China, my dudes, here's the clear tray that you can put your pooper in, and he'll scoot along so you won't get the candy dirty on the table or on the floor or whatever. So there's that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the zombie monster pooper that I picked up. Look at him. He's so excited. He looks a little gassy to me. Yeah, you just wind him up, put the candy in there, and he'll have a field day. He will have a field day pooping out some candy. Right there, look at it. But yeah, if you can find these, pick them up. Pretty cool little fun little toy. Alright, that's all I got.